Is it the right time to buy or sell Alibaba stock? In this video, we'll be taking a deep dive into Alibaba. We previously released a report on our website on Friday, January 19, 2024. Today, we're here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. To stay up to date on our latest analysis, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell. You won't want to miss any important updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since January 19, 2024, our system has ranked Alibaba as a hold/accumulate with a score of -0.62. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. Despite some natural fluctuations, the stock currently stands at a 0% loss since our initial hold/accumulate recommendation. The stock is currently in a downward trend, which could present a great opportunity for buying. If the lower trend floor at $67.82 is broken, it would indicate an even stronger decline. Looking at the past 3 months, there is a potential -15.23% change in the stock's value over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from -17.19% to -5.64%. In the next 12 months, the stock is expected to experience a -20.13% change, with a potential return ranging from -21.82% to 11.14%. This means that after a year, the price could be between $54.27 and $77.16. Our latest update on Alibaba focuses on the stock price forecast and recent market movements. On the last trading day, Alibaba's stock price increased by 2.01%, moving from $68.05 to $69.42. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated between a low of $66.92 and a high of $69.91, experiencing a 4.46% change. It's worth noting that the stock price has declined in 8 out of the last 10 days, resulting in a decrease of -7.02% during this period. Additionally, the trading volume increased along with the price, which is a positive technical indication. Overall, 15 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day, totaling 34 million shares with a value of approximately $2.36 billion. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price Alibaba's stock reached was $121.30, while the lowest price was $66.92. As of now, the current price is 42.77% below the 52-week high, equivalent to a difference of $51.88. Furthermore, it's 78.26% lower than the all-time high on October 27, 2020, when the price peaked at $319.32. Analyst ratings. Truist Financial recently gave Alibaba a grade of underperform with a recommended action to hold. UBS also gave Alibaba a favorable grade of buy with a recommended action to hold. In December 2023, Morgan Stanley upgraded Baba's grade to buy with a recommended action of downgrade. Mizuho Securities gave Alibaba a grade of buy with a recommended action to hold in November 2023. Morgan Stanley also assigned an overweight grade to Alibaba with a recommended action to hold in November 2023. Analysts have given Alibaba stock a general buy rating. They rate the PE ratio as a strong buy and the price to book as a strong buy. As for return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a neutral rating. Here are the signals identified for Alibaba. On Thursday, January 18, 2024, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point. Since then, the stock has risen by 2.01%. This indicates a potential for further rise until a new top pivot is found. The volume is also increasing along with the price, which is considered a positive technical signal. However, there are some negative signals that may impact the short-term development of the stock. Both short and long-term moving averages suggest sell signals, leading to a more negative forecast for Alibaba. Additionally, the relation between the two signals shows a general sell signal, with the long-term average being above the short-term average. In terms of resistance levels, corrections upwards may face resistance at $70.21 and $73.21. If the stock breaks above any of these levels, it will issue buy signals. Furthermore, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, currently indicates a sell signal. Let's explore some other signals that you might find interesting for your investment decisions. The moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots have shown a buy signal 2 days ago. Bollinger also indicates a buy signal 2 days ago. The short-term moving average is signaling a sell 14 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average has also signaled a sell 14 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 9 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. The short moving average indicated a sell signal 11 days ago. The long-term moving average has shown a sell signal 92 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 79 days ago. If you want to find more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Alibaba. When it comes to support, Alibaba has found a strong level at $68.93 based on accumulated volume. This could present a great buying opportunity, as historically, when this support level is tested, we often see an upward reaction in the stock price. Moving on to risk, Alibaba is considered to have medium risk due to its average daily movements. With good trading volume, there is a decent level of liquidity. In the last day, the stock price had a range of $2.99, which accounts for a 4.46% difference between the highest and lowest points. Looking at the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 2.53%. Before we start discussing potential trading levels for Alibaba, let's begin by going over some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio is essential as it measures a company's current share price in relation to its per-share earnings. A relatively low PE ratio could indicate a lack of confidence in the company's future or suggest that the stock is undervalued, presenting a potential buying opportunity. In other news, the next earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled to be released on February 22, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for these earnings are at $2.86. It's important to keep an eye on these numbers as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, we'll be discussing some potential day trading levels for Alibaba. If the stock is on an upward trend, the first resistance level for Alibaba is at $72.38. If you don't currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait until this level is breached before entering a position. However, if you're already holding the stock, this could be a compelling level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Alibaba encounters its first support level at $68.93. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point with the potential for a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $65.47, which reflects a decrease of 5.69%. This particular stock exhibits moderate daily movements, resulting in a medium level of risk. Additionally, we have identified a buy signal from a pivot bottom that was observed just 1 day ago. Is Alibaba stock a good buy? Although Alibaba currently shows several negative signals, it's important to consider the potential for a turnaround situation. As a result, we now view it as a hold or accumulate candidate, rather than a strong sell. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, January 22, we anticipate Alibaba to open down $0.672 and begin trading at $68.75. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Additionally, please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we're taking a closer look at the current view of this stock. We want to hear your thoughts too, so make sure to comment below and share your opinion. What's your target for this stock? Let's dive in.